Hello YouTube, Phoenix King Sake here, and I recently got a request by a YouTuber named Coyote Prime 1100 who said that he is trying to make his own YouTube videos but would like some help and asked if I could make my own instructional videos on how to make the kind of YouTube videos that I make. And you know what? I think that's a pretty good idea. So I'm going to give it a whirl here. So, for starters, one of the programs I use is iMovie. And once you've imported the video you want to use into iMovie, let's see, you can get to work. I got some clips. I'm going to try to take the audio of some Code Geass by Purple Eyes WTF and meld it with some clips from Beastars, that really weird furry anime that's really dark, and just let's see if we can make it funny. So I'm gonna take the audio that I want here. Okay, once you have that, you drag it over here. Okay, so I'm going to separate the audio. There, now I have the audio to work with. I'm going to switch over to these Beastars clips I have. I'm going to add in like this. Let's see. Drag this over there. And then we got...
Alright, Suzaku, look. We know you didn't kill Clovis.
Okay, now that I got to the part that I want, cut that. Now I'll add a clip of Legacy talking. It's going to be like... there.
Eat shit and dog.
Okay, that looks good. Another thing of him. Let's do this. Yeah, put that there. And it's like...
Alright, Suzaku, look. We know you didn't kill Clovis. Eat shit and die. Okay, you're an asshole. Boy!
Okay. That's coming smoothly. And just use this again. I think that'll work. Paste that there.
Bite me, banana man!
Okay, then you just keep going like that. If you want to add like end credits, you can do it over here. And you just type in what you want. So I hope that gives you a pretty good understanding. There's a whole bunch of other effects. You can add music, transitions you can add. You just drag them over. Yeah, iMovie's pretty easy to use. I like iMovie. If you want to get more advanced stuff, you can switch over to like something like After Effects. Next, I'll show you that in a moment. And once you share this, you export the movie. Okay, once you're done, so I'll skip ahead to that. Okay, we're in After Effects now. And just drag it over here, and there you got it. I want to go all the way to the end. I want to add in a chair. Because as you'll see here, it's give him the chair. So I want to add in a chair right about here. So I'm going to go to import file again. There's the chair. I'm just going to drag that in and put it right here. Uh-oh. We got a bunch of white area there. Well, we'll have to fix that. Go up to Effect, Color Key, click the little dropper here, there. There we got rid of most of that white, but I want to click Color Tolerance, and there we go, get rid of the rest of that white. Okay, now I can move my chair to where I want it to be. I'm going to put it up there for now. And now I'm going to click here on the chair in the timeline, go to transform. I'm going to put anchor points for the position and scale. And at the end, he's like getting punched. I'm going to add some more here, and I'm going to drag the chair down here where it's hitting Legacy, and I'm going to expand the size. Now it looks like instead of getting punched, he's getting hit with a chair. See? So, now that I added that in, like there's a whole bunch of stuff you can do in After Effects. You just gotta play around with it to figure out all that you can do. I'm gonna go to Composition and add to Render Queue. Go here. Make sure you click Audio Output. Format Options. And then we go to use an MPEG-4. Click OK. And then you just click Render. And that will render the movie for you. Yeah. So, let's take a look at the finished project, shall we? QuickTime Player.
Alright, Suzaku, look. We know you didn't kill Clovis. You chicken died, okay? You're an asshole. Bite me, banana man. That doesn't even make sense. I'll make you make sense. Fine, whatever. I want my phone call. Alright, but first we need you to... I know my rights, you bastards. Give me my phone call. Jeez, look, all we're trying to do here is... Oh my god, how is he even doing that? Somebody stop him! Ugh, is it over? Oh, that's it. I've had enough of this. Give him the chair!
Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope this video was somewhat educational for you. I'm Phoenix King Sokka, and I hope you have a good one.